Welcome to another video tutorial of the Ordinary Gift Limited. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple trick on how to restore your original background clip to its original color. Sometimes you might want to edit your video clip on Adobe Premiere Pro and you realize that after exporting the clip that the original background color has already been changed to either green or purple or a combination of both. This is actually caused by incompatibility issues by Adobe Premiere Pro and also could be as a result of unsupported video drivers by your system's provider. So therefore, in this video, I'm going to show you a simple trick on how to restore that color to its original background color. Please, at the end of this video tutorial, if you find this interesting, please like and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. So when you import your file and you realize that it has this color, this green and combination of green and purple color, the simplest thing to do, the best way to remove this color is just go to your file, you go to your project, that's new, project, and you go to renderer. You will make sure that renderer option is in Mercury Playback Engine software only. That's it. And you click OK. You click OK. And once you click OK, you realize that your color has changed, that the color of your screen, you've restored it, that the green color has disappeared, the purple color has disappeared. That's just a simple trick on how to restore this. You check it. If you check all your clips, you realize that you see the whole background, the whole green background has all disappeared. It's on black background, which is the original color, background color. That's it. So if we keep going, you see that. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.